In this video, we will be showing you how to level the anchor bolts to prepare for the installation of the main pole. After the concrete has cured for 7 days, the foundation is ready for the system to be bolted down. To level the anchor bolts, start by loosening all the nuts slightly and then using a small level to make sure that each nut is level with the next. After all the nuts are leveled, place one flat steel washer over each nut. Now you're ready to raise the pole. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to visit barbarianbasketballsystems.com for more instructional videos and other great basketball systems and products.